Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel where I speak about my love for luxury handbags, fashion and lifestyle. I'm Faye and it is morning here in my apartment in Stockholm, and I'm so excited to take you with me through this week because I have a lot of lovely things planned. My sister is visiting here in Stockholm with her friend, and we are right now actually leaving for some lovely brunch at one of our favorite brunch places in town. Then we are going to go for some shopping and hang out in this beautiful weather and then meet out with one of my friends and my boyfriend, and in the evening we will all have a dinner at a nice Korean restaurant, and of course I'm bringing you guys with me. Let's go! They got a new menu here today, and the French toast with rhubarb and lavender cream was superb. I'm heading toward the Louis Vuitton boutique to meet up with Ninni. She's going to look for a gift for her parents. I just got my nails done, and this time I think it turned out so pretty. So black min.
Jag tittar alltid på det.
76 500.
Okej, och
sen
den
jag
här
ska se
kostar
den.
70.
Samma, lika mycket.
Så den kostar lika mycket, som
den väskan.
Det är ju lite sick tycker jag, att det är så stor skillnad. Jag tror den här skulle vara billigare.
Jag tror att det här är lite mer att göra den väskan. Annars är det lite mindre väska. Så
Du går i.
jag går i. After workout, it's time for some infrared sauna. There's so much benefit with it. It repairs my muscles after the workout at the same time as it stimulates both collagen and elastin production for that extra glow. And I love that I can connect my favorite pods and music list in the sauna at the same time. 30 minutes pass by so fast. Guys, I'm currently on my way to the shoe event with Toots, and I'm wearing my Hermes Bergamo shoes and Acne jacket together with this My Lady Dior.
I'm making really loud, but that's okay.
So now we have 4 styles. So we have the rounded, which is this one, the ballerina. We have the pointed, we have the loafer, which is somewhere here. And then we just got the Mary Janes, which come in 4 colors. A material called Commerplast, which is ocean and land recycled plastics. We have vegan eco suede. This is apple skin, and vegan patent. And all of the shoes are breathable, durable, and comfortable.
Hello guys, I'm really excited to show you what I got from my shopping this past week. I just got myself a new summer bag and you won't be able to guess what I got. It has been on my radar and I've tried it and similar bags a few weeks back actually. So if you've been following my vlogs, you might have seen. But at that time I couldn't find it in a good size and the price felt honestly a bit much for what it is. This bag is a bit different from other raffia bags. It is not as commonly seen and has a small detail that actually reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. Let me reveal it and I will explain further. So here it is. It is so lovely. This raffia bag is from Isabel Marant and I believe this is a medium size. It looks very similar to both the Loewe and Celine raffia bags, but this one I find more understated and rare. It is for sure not seen as much on social media and I feel that when I see something too much, it kind of puts me off wanting it as it feels less unique. Anyway, I like how simple this bag is and the straps on the side softens it and gives it actually a little bit of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull look. But then in raffia, so the look is very chic and laid back. I love the size and the drop handle length and it is just perfect to throw over your shoulder but also use it as a top handle, and the length is not too long and I can fold out my whole arm completely without the bag dropping to the floor. I can also fit in everything I would need for a day out to the beach or for a picnic, and it is really a perfect vacation bag that I can fit everything you need during a day and at the same time give you that chicness and laid back vibe to an outfit. The only downside I thought about before deciding for this bag was that it doesn't have any strap or proper closing, so it is for sure less secure. However, that's not an issue if I add a large dust bag in this bag, so things also scratch less when using the dust bag, and for extra security one could sew the dust bag with the bag on the bottom with a few stitches, but I think I would skip that for flexibility. And actually this bag and the smallest raffia bag with crossbody strap and top handle were actually both on sale, 40% off when I bought it, and I think that several websites will mark the prices down on these soon if they already haven't. This suddenly makes this bag worth it a lot more because honestly for a designer raffia bag in this size, it is seldom that you can find it priced under 400 euros anymore. I got this one for 2,900 SEK, which is around 250 euros, and it was like 5 euros difference to the smaller tote, so I got the larger one as I felt that the long term this larger tote bag would be more useful. So yes, I'm so happy about this bag and the deal that I got. If I can find it on sale somewhere online, I will definitely link it in the description down below. Next, I would like to show you some of the pieces that I got from Sandro. I found this lovely white crop top that I feel would fit lots of outfits, and the fabric is thick and it also shapes my waist and my arms in a very flattering way. This will be perfect to pair with high-waisted shorts or pants. And I love the buttons as I feel that they make the shirt look dressier, and the champagne gold hardware just make it work for both gold and silver accessories. And I also got this thick cardigan that gives that relaxed but yet Chanel chic vibe, and the fabric of this one is so soft and luxurious, and I just love the small details like the sleeve and how it is designed. So I think this jumper will be perfect to chilly days and will pair well with both tight pants and skirts to add that masculine contrast. And in addition to these two tops, I got the dressier white tweed shorts with buttons. I think that this gives this French Riviera vibe that will be perfect as part of my vacation wardrobe. The fit is so good and I really feel that it shapes my waist. And by the way, all the clothes are from Sandro's summer sale and I got them for like 40 to 50% off for all the clothes I showed. Now let's move on to the next brand, and I got something from Toteme from their summer sale, and I believe that their sale is ongoing or is about to start everywhere now, and I had a brief look at what they got and managed to get the last pair of these, which is the flannel pajamas and in a light beige color. And these PJ buttons are so soft and feel like a pair of sweatpants when I wear them. However, thanks to the thinner material and the stitch monogram, I think they can also be dressed up easily. So with a dressier top, these pants will look great for work. Really love this, and I will probably wear them to death, as I love clothes that I can wear both for lounging at home and for work. And next up is a really unexpected buy from Fendi. I found this cute miniskirt with the monogram on the waist and the cutest mini baguette bag as part of the design. Isn't this the cutest little detail you've seen? You can keep it on or remove it from the miniskirt without problem, and this skirt was actually also on sale, 40% off. And there's something about it that I am not sure I want to reveal, but I will share this little secret with you as I see you as my friends. This skirt is actually from the kids department and therefore actually made for 14 years old. So this is also why it's very girly, but I like miniskirts, so I don't have any problems with it. And this particular one is just really short, so I will probably wear it with shorts or stockings under when I wear it out. Finally, I want to share with you these really cute Mary Janes from Swedish brand Turf, which is an innovative Swedish shoe startup. We visited their pop-up shop in Stockholm, and I also got invited to their shoe event. I was surprised regarding how comfortable these were. The shoes are made of vegan leather, which means materials made in, example given, apple skin, ocean or land recycled plastics. And I got the Mary Janes in silver, but I don't have them here at the moment as my sister wore them back to Copenhagen when she left. Maybe we should have bought one pair each, to be honest, but anyway, I love the double strap on this model as it gives a modern look to the shoe. In the beginning, I thought that it would be a bit troublesome with putting the straps on and off every time I wear the shoe, but they are actually a bit elastic that it works to put on and off without messing with the clasp. So I must say that I love the cause and mission of the brand, as they are producing these shoes in a sustainable way and using sustainable materials in it. And I felt so content with those shoes that I asked them for a discount that I could share with you guys, and they kindly did. So if you go to their web shop and give them the code FAMOUS1 in the checkout, you will be able to receive a 400 SEK off or 35 euros off. And this works for any of the shoes, and you will get free shipping as well. And by the way, this content is non-sponsored. I don't make any money or get any extra perks, so this code is only for you guys who are my followers. So this wraps up about my latest purchases for the summer. Thank you so much for hanging out with me until now. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye!